Good afternoon from Barcelona. I'm Nick Harris, alongside me, Matt Rhodes, and Dylan Gray. Seventh of the Motogp World Championship.
All Spanish front row, Marquez, Lorenzo and Pedrosa. Row 2, what a performance by Hector Barbera. He was ahead of Valentino Rossi and Maverick Vinales.
Row 3, rejuvenated Cal Crutchlow, Andrea Iannone and Danilo Petrucci. Row 4, Andrea Dovizioso and Scott Redding and Paul Espargaro.
Fifth row headed by Aleix Espargaro, the pole man here 1 year ago. Smith and Pirro join him on row 5. Hernandez, Lavatini and Andrade, that's your row 6.
Row 7, we have Jack Miller, Tito Rabat and Alvaro Bautista. 21 riders will contest round 7 of the Motogp World Championship on a glorious Mediterranean afternoon here in Barcelona.
Odds look good for the Yamaha win if you believe in all year. Keep an eye on him in 8th.
So here we go, round 7, the Motogp World Championship. Front row, Lorenzo, Marquez, 3 Spanish riders. This is a tribute to one of MotoGP's favourite sons, Luis Salom. Looked at the back of the grid. I think somebody actually
it was Hector Barbera didn't get in the right grid slot.
So here we go, 25 laps of this Barcelona Catalonian circuit. Round 7 of the MotoGP World Championship. Good start again by Jorge Lorenzo. It'd have been better to wait, surely, because if Rossi's going to drag them along, he could have been in that train. Now he's got to work very hard indeed. Lorenzo is going to put away at the front. So Lorenzo does take quite gently the first few laps before trying to put on the pressure, but Marquez beautifully placed.
A couple of riders that dropped down the order in the first couple of laps. Barbera, who was in 4th place in the grid, he's in 9th place. Cal Crutchlow, who was 7th, he's back in 11th. Crutchlow's just taken 10th place from Barbera. Rossi, the fastest man on track on that second lap, 1:46.165. Problems for Bradley Smith. He's at the back of the field down in 21st place. Oh, he just hasn't been comfortable all the time. What about that? Oh, Iannone saw it done. Iannone right at the back of Lorenzo. Iannone got it way too hot down at turn number 10. They are going to be Ducati teammates. Wow, that was unbelievable. Andrea Iannone, what did he do? A repeat of Argentina.
Iannone's at Rossi, but Marc Marquez now leads the World Championship. He can settle for a safe second place and be leading the championship.
Massive moment for Marquez. Marc Marquez just had a huge moment. Lost the front going through turn number 14. Brilliant super slow motion replay. Hearts in mouths for the Repsol Honda team. All the time. What about that? Oh, Iannone saw it done. Iannone right to the back of Lorenzo. Iannone got it way too hot down at turn number 10. They are going to be Ducati